Okay, quick video of the restored 170 Xi4 300 DPI printer. Full keypad display. It's been cleaned up now. Removed any kind of deposits or adhesive or anything that's on it. This is the print head area here. You can see the platen roller is in excellent condition. No slices or anything in that. Check the print head prints completely across the print head, so the print head is fine. You can see all the spindles are just in really immaculate condition here. So great machine. These retail for well over $5,000 when new. As you can see, it's all metal. The latest generation replacement for a printer like this would be sort of a hybrid metal and plastic machine, but and I do like the Zebras, even the new ones, but you know, the Xi4 series though was the last of the all metal Zebra printers. So it's about a 50 or 60 pound machine, so it's very heavy duty, long life type of a printer.